Hi guys, and welcome to this series on how to publish your Chrome extension to the web store.
This is Jack.
And I'm Amy.
And we are here to help you through the process.
In this first episode, we'll explain how to get started.
We'll talk about how to find the developer dashboard,
how to register for the first time,
how many extensions you can publish, the developer dashboard tabs,
what account information is required, how to package your extension. Alright guys, let's get started.
So how do we get started?
Okay, first we need to head over to the Chrome Web Store and we can just do a quick Google search and go to the Chrome Web Store. Now that we're here at the store, we can find the developer dashboard by clicking on the gear button that's located next to the Google sign-in and select developer dashboard. Now, the first time that you access the developer dashboard, you will be prompted to accept the developer agreement and privacy policy, and also pay a developer fee of $5.
Do I need to pay this every time I publish a Chrome extension?
No, this is just a one-time fee per Google developer account. So if in the future you want to publish an extension under another account, another Google account, you will have to pay this fee again.
What's the next step?
Okay, so this is the developer dashboard, and there are three main tabs, as you can see on the left. It's items, account, and notification. Let's talk about each one.
What's in the items tab?
Okay, so the items tab has all your extensions, including both published and draft. As you can see in this example, we have a tab share, which is published to testers. We have Clip64 that is published to the public, which means it's on the Chrome store, available there. And then there's an unlisted, which means it's not listed on the Chrome store, but it's available if you have a direct link.
Is there a limit to the number of extensions I can publish?
Yes. Per Google account, you can only publish up to 20 extensions.
But can I delete an extension to make room for new extensions?
You cannot delete an extension from your account. You can only unpublish a extension, so it will not show on the Chrome store, but it will always be attached to your account. Let's go to the account tab. Okay, so here we can enter our name. There's this profile section, and we can put our name and our email. And let me show you where that will be shown on the Chrome store. Okay, so right under the name of your extension, it says offered by, and that's the publisher display name. And if you go to the bottom, the developer email is going to be on the bottom right side.
Do I always need to include a privacy policy?
Only if you're collecting any user data or connecting to an external server.
Do I need to include an address?
The address is optional, but it's only required if you're going to use the Chrome Web Store payment service. Okay, let's look at management.
So, tell me about trusted tester accounts.
Okay, the trusted tester accounts are the emails of your default beta testing team. So Google gives you an option to publish your extensions in private mode, which will by default only be accessed to these email accounts. So they will be able to download them and download the extension and test it in their computers, but only these emails.
So we've already paid the registration fee. What about revenue reports?
This is where you can find reports if you are monetizing your extension through Google's payment services.
And Google Group Publishing. What is that?
Okay, this is important to know how this works because it is irreversible and permanent. When you select the button Convert to Group Publisher, you can share the ownership of all your extensions with the members of the selected Google group. Meaning, every member will have administrative access to all the extensions under this particular developer account. Now, once you click this button, it is permanent and irreversible, so I would certainly recommend to click on the Learn More to make sure you fully understand this option.
Okay, let's talk about notifications.
Okay, the enable user feedback is going to be what you see on the support section of your Chrome extension. The users will be able to contact you as a developer asking questions or making suggestions or reporting a problem, and you will be able to get an email notification of that. The items reviews these are the actual reviews of your extension, so you will just be notified when somebody makes a review.
In what format should I upload my code?
To upload an item to the web store, we need to submit a zip file containing the files that you're using. Especially, we need to get the manifest in the root. So let's double click. There's your manifest. That's very good. We need to make sure it's not in a manifest subfolder. It needs to be in the root. So we select all the files and we can compress those. And it's just a regular zip file.
Okay, and then I guess I can just pull this out of here.
Mm-hmm.
So since the manifest needs to be in the root, we can't just right click on the folder and zip it up, because then we'll have a zip file with a folder inside, and we need the manifest to be in the root.
Correct. Well, that's it for this episode. On the next video, we will talk about the next steps. We will talk about what the dashboard derives from our manifest JSON file, what visual assets we must prepare, and what URL fields are available. For all this and more, join us on the next video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.